it is already freezing back up. This is a piece of kit right here, y'all. It's already starting to freeze up, and it hasn't even been that minute. Hasn't even been like 5 minutes when it defrosted. It's freezing cold air out. That's burning hot. That's why it's like flinch like that. Dude. This is a piece of kit right here. Listen to that. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. I had to make this quick video because it's already starting to freeze back up. It hasn't even been 5 minutes. And it's already starting to freeze back up. But anyways, that'll be it.